Blessed are our youth for showing us what should be. Blessed are the gap closers. Blessed is our time together, and may we call upon the faith that we all have to send a blessing onto this art and the hands that create it.
Materials, which is now this year 51 years old. It's a Wilmington-based grassroots interfaith nonprofit that is focused on peace.
I'm Paul Wiegraff. I'm the director of the Delaware Division of the Arts, and we are proud to sponsor this program, this Youth Peace Art Exhibition.
All people should be together, even if you're in different cultures and communities.
When I started school a long time ago, I drew this when I was in kindergarten. This is me. That guy too. Once I heard it was in a museum, I was kind of happy.
I drew my wish for peace and what is needed for the world to be in peace. If one hand or one flag is missing from the ribbon, then our world is out of balance. The ribbon is broken. Everybody needs to contribute to the world to hold up and support our world, or else it'll all fall down, and the ribbon of togetherness will be destroyed.
What inspired me to do this painting is that how peace can soar and how peace can travel like a dove soaring from one place to another.
I go to First State Montessori Academy, and my painting is about equality.
I go to Wilmington Montessori School, and what inspired me to make this piece was I was just thinking back to my summer, and I thought what peace was to me during the summer, and it was llamas. I thought about kindness and peace, to think about how I would help each other, and that made me an idea to write all this stuff, and it was very impressive how I could do it. So I just thought of an idea and thought that would be nice to share something with the art festival.
What inspired me to do a bubble around our safe Earth is that our Earth was sort of not coming together in peace, so a bubble around it would keep us safe and away from harm.
What inspired me is that I like art, and I just want to do it because it's the best thing when you're bored, and I just like to do it. It's really good to do. Peace means to me is when you're honoring birds and not like hurting them.
Well, I learned about hugging and being kind and being peaceful.
Who's in the picture?
Me and my best friend Graham.
What inspired me to make this picture was because I have a best friend, and we have known each other for most of our lives, and he's like a very close family member to me, and that is supposed to be me and him holding hands.
The thing that inspired me to do this picture is that I saw it in a book, and I thought it would look really cool if I drew it. A teacher inspired me to do this when we were doing a project just coloring the back of the canvas with crayons.
So what inspired me to do my artwork was since we built a bridge last year in school, I decided to put that on my peace artwork.